Hello, Geeks for Geeks. So, in this short video, I am planning to showcase very few basic Linux commands. So, I am taking the reference from Geeks for Geeks website. In the Geeks for Geeks, this window, we can see 25 basic Linux command for beginners. Here they have mentioned few commands we are using in the Linux. Okay, now let us think what is the necessity of learning basic Linux commands, where exactly we are going to use. So these commands majorly we use in terminals. In case of modern computers, the computer we use, there will be different operating system like Windows, Mac, Linux, in Linux Ubuntu or some other. In that, easily we can create a file of a folder, what I say. For example, I can right click, I can write new folder as shown in the window. I can write gfg space class 1, enter. So it is in a very easy manner with the help of user interface we are doing in my system. But in case of machines, what I say, maybe a server or maybe a very low level machine we are working, then we have to use these commands. For everything what with the help of UI we are doing, we have a Linux command. So okay, now let's start with the one very easiest command. Let's start with this. This is the very basic command, make directory, mkdir. The anonym is make directory. So what it will do is, it will create a folder. Directory is nothing but a folder. The syntax is make directory, mkdir space the file name. I will write gfg2, enter. If we are not getting any message or error, means the file has been created successfully. Okay, now we want to see whether that file has been created or not. For that we use ls command. Ls nothing but list. It will list each and every file or folder in the current directory. If I write ls, see these many files and folders are there in my current working directory. In that we can see if gfg2 is present or not. We can see here, we can see here gfg2 and gfg class 1. See, we can see here it has been created. Okay, two commands are over, ls and make directory. And pwd command, this is nothing but print working directory. I will once clear the terminal. Okay, this pwd doesn't take any argument. It will just simply print the path from home to the current working directory. See, this is from home to my working directory. Now next command is cd. Cd is nothing but change directory to cd. If I write cd, the two it will take one argument, cd space the next directory where you have to go. I have created gfg2. If I click enter, see it has gone to that working directory. Now if I print the working directory, pwd command, it will print from home till the current working directory, it will print. Okay, now coming to the see uname command will print what operating system I am using. When you are working with machines, you may need to do. See, simply if I write uname, it will type Linux. And one more thing very important, if you are very new to the working environment and you don't know what is the use of that command and what all arguments it is going to take, for that thing we can use man command, man command. Let's try this one, man. Okay, man is nothing but manual. It is nothing like a documentation. Before we going to use any command, we will get what are the arguments it's going to take, what is the use of those arguments. For example, let's write man uname. See, uname is nothing but one command to print the operating system. And if I write man uname, it will show the manual of uname, what all argument it's going to take. See, It has, if I click enter, it will show uname is used to print system information. Okay, and the description, it will take few arguments. See, it will take 1, 2, minus a, minus s, minus n, minus r. So these many arguments it's going to take. If you put minus a, it will print all information in the following order: expect, omit, minus p and minus I if unknown. Okay, leave this part, but it will print all the information regarding the operating system. Okay, let's try this one. Let's write uname space minus a. See, like if I simply give uname, it will print only the OS. Now it will print Linux. In the Linux, it's Ubuntu, its version, generic name. See, it will even include time, it will include date also, time and date both. It's 64-bit operator. So these things is the use of uname. Let's write for ls. What all the arguments the ls listing document, listing the folder, what all argument it's going to take. Let's see. See, ls will use to list directory contents. So there are many commands. Minus a, it will do not ignore entries starting with that dot. Okay, let's see some other. Minus a we have already seen. Let's see l minus l. Use a long list format. Okay, let's try this one. If I simply press ls, okay, it is in the, sorry, it's in the gf, in the folder, it's nothing is there. I will go to the previous directory. If I give ls, it will simply print all the documents, all the folders. But if I write ls minus l, it will print in a long listing format. See, here it will print everything in the sense whether it is rewrite executable, in which format it is, what is the folder name, when it has been created, and how many memory it is being used. Everything is printed. And to clear the terminal, you just write clear, CLEAR. Okay, and here there are total 25 commands. We can you can try yourself those commands, or in further lectures I can further videos I can cover those. And see, RM directory is also there. This will remove the directory. We can try RMDIR. We can try this one. I have created the GFG2 file, GFG2 folder directory. I will just write RM directory, and I will write GFG2. See, if no error is coming, the execution has been completed successfully. Now I will write CD GFG2. So what it should do, it will go to change the directory to GFG2. See, it is giving an error, no such file or directory. That means RM directory has been removed successfully. And please note, don't confuse with the RM and RM directory. See, these RM directory, this and this RM, these both are, this number 5 and number 4 are different. RM directory will remove the folder, whereas RM will remove the file. For example, .text file, C file, or whatever the file it may be, it will remove the file, not the directory. Whereas RM directory will remove whole directory. That's all in this video. Thank you.